At mga kapolitika, ang atin pong pag-uusapan ngayon itong playtime ni Atisa dahil trending ito sa mga nakalipas na araw dito sa mga ibang bansa, especially sa mga Vietnamese at sa Indonesian at sa mga Indian, na kung saan is pinag-uusapan itong ating manok sa Miss Universe 2025 dahil di umano ay nagpo-promote ito ng playtime na sugal or online gambling dito sa Miss Universe 2025, na kung saan ay kahapon lang pinarade ni Nawat yung venue, na kung saan is andun yung mga posters, andun yung promotion nitong Playtime PH, at nakita nga nila si Atisa sa isang infomercial na kung saan is nandito siya at siya mismo yung nagpo-promote ng sugal. So ngayon ay sinisisi mga kapolitika ng mga Vietnamese, Indonesian at mga Indian na itong si Atisa Manalo ay nagpo-promote di umano ng online casino.
Escándalo at Miss Universe 2025, you guys. Illegal gambling sponsoring Miss Universe. It's just so wild. So apparently, Mr. Nawat himself decided to out Miss Universe organization and called them out for having illegal gambling being promoted in Thailand, you guys. And in Thailand, there's some serious consequences when an organization, a person, are involved in gambling, both promoting it and playing it. So the problem is this app. This casino online sponsor called Playtime is actually from the Philippines, and it's being heavily promoted by the one and only herself. She fell for this trap, and someone else has been promoting this online gambling, you guys, and so that means she's involved in this, and the organization of the Philippines is so if it becomes a big issue, because apparently there's some serious dire consequences being involved in this, like imprisonment, 7 to 12 years imprisonment. Does that mean the Miss Universe organization have to pay a fine? Does that mean Atisa Manalo will be going to jail? And I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if Nawat himself was aware of this and just playing dumb right now, because he's being petty, so he wants to get Miss Universe organization back by like calling the enforcement on them and to make it seem like that he has nothing to do with this illegal gambling thing. But maybe perhaps that he has something to do with it. I mean, he was always been involved in he's the host country. Why didn't he say they're the host? Why didn't they say something when they saw all the sponsors? So, I mean, I'm just a little bit confused, and I'm really looking forward to get more information about this, because this is actually some serious stuff. So we'll wait on the more information on the outcome of this gambling gate, you guys. It's a mess.
So napakarami na pong sumasakay dito sa issue ng playtime commercial ni Atisa Manalo, at even yung mga, most especially yung mga Vietnamese at mga Indonesian, na kung saan ay sinisisi itong si Atisa Manalo na nagpropromote umano ng online sugal. Well, ang magiging reaction ko dito, I believe na si Atisa Manalo ay isa lamang biktima. Okay, siya ay inosente dito sa mga pangyayari, kasi she believes na itong Playtime PH is isa lang sponsor. So kung sponsor, kung ipapapromote ito sa kanya, I believe na wala naman itong problema. It's just that bawal dito sa Thailand, mga kapolitika, ang online gambling or online casino. It just happen na dito yung venue sa Thailand, and then bawal itong mga ganitong bagay. So walang problema at walang issue dito dapat kay Atisa Manalo, kasi in the first place siya nga ay biktima, di ba? Siya ay inosente dito sa mga rules and regulations ng Thailand, na bawal pala itong mga ganitong bagay or itong mga online casino. So dapat nga is tayo, di ba, na wag nang i-promote itong sugal, imbis na sisihin itong si Atisa, kasi in the first place hindi naman siya yung may-ari, hindi naman siya yung sponsor nitong Playtime PH na ito. Okay, so anyway mga kapolitika, issue po ito kahapon at na-resolve na ito dahil pinabaklas na ni Nawat yung mga posters doon, at abangan natin yung mga susunod na mga issue. Pero malinaw sa ngayon na yung mga Vietnamese ay sinisisi itong si Atisa dahil nagpo-promote di umano, at ang sabi ay pwede daw maapektuhan ang placement ni Atisa dito sa Miss Universe 2025. Well, wala na po tayong magagawa dyan mga kapultiya kung ganun ang kailang perception. Ang importante dito ay focus tayo sa goal sa laban ni Atisa Manalo sa Miss Universe 2025 na ganap pa rin sa bansang Thailand. So kung kayo ang tatanungin mga kapolitika, dapat bang sisihin itong si Atisa Manalo dito sa pagpupromote di umano niya ng online sugal or online gambling? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe kayo dito sa ating YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po.
Is it Filipinas? Will I bring home the Miss Universe crown? Let's find out together. Preliminaries competition live sa Playtime Facebook and app.